Hello everybody, I am Shafeen and I am going to show you how to control an LED with a button with Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. You can look for the code and the circuit diagram in GitHub, which link is in the description. So let's get started. First, I will upload the program to the Raspberry Pi. You can see these buttons coming here as the button is not pressed. When I press the button, you will see that the zeros will come. Like that, when I press the button, the LED will get off and on and off and on. I have used a reset switch, some jumper wires and a LED which has a built-in resistor in it. Thank you friends for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I have learned this from AIVersity.com. The link is given in the description. Thank you.